How to fix the Snapchat notification sound not working. Hello everyone, my name is Mala and in this video I will show you how you can solve this problem. Go on the Snapchat, long press on it and tap on the app info. And after that, see for app permissions and make sure that you go on the microphone and all notification option and everything is fine here. Go on Snapchat app, make sure you have installed the latest version of Snapchat. Go on your profile, which is on the top left side, and go and scroll down and down up until you see the options of notification. Now see if any options like sound, ring and everything is disabled here. If it is not, then you can simply go on the settings of your phone and see the notifications to make sure if anything is disabled right here. After making sure everything is enabled, then you can simply go and long press and tap on the app info and clear all the data and caches on Snapchat. And now uninstall your Snapchat again and again install it, and then your problem will be solved. So this is how you do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe on our channel for more videos like this, and comment on the comment section